How to access your Telegram cloud storage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Telegram cloud storage. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So first is we open Telegram. We launch Telegram app on our device. Open any chat, such as this, and tap on the message bar as if you are sending a message, and click the paperclip icon. Select File, and this will bring you to Telegram Cloud Storage. You can send and receive files of any type up to 2 gigabytes in size per file, and your stored files can be accessed from any of your devices. This upgrade is optional, but if you need more storage, tap on Settings in the bottom right. Here, now scroll down to Telegram Premium. With the Telegram Premium, you can upload files up to 4 gigabytes each, and the subscription costs 132.5 Philippine pesos per month or 1,590 pesos annually. That's it. Now you know how to access and use your Telegram cloud storage.